Hello everybody, today we're going to cover stoichiometry with particles and volume, and we're going to be talking about calculating the volume or number of particles used during a chemical reaction. So first step is, let's remember a couple of things. 1 mole is equal to 6.02 times 10 to the 23 atoms. Molecules are formula units, and you guys remember this, that 1 mole is also equal to 22.4 liters for any gas at STP. So these are the two numbers that you got to really think about. We also remember that in a conversion, if I ask you how to convert from grams to grams, we're going to have to try to think about how that goes with liters. So let's take a look at aluminum plus oxygen, which gives us aluminum oxide. We want to be able to balance this equation out. So I'm going to go ahead and put the charges up so you guys won't forget. So we should have 4, 3, and 2 for the coefficients. This is the most important part, is writing out the coefficients for these. That's 336 liters, and the grams of aluminum is unknown. So we're going to go from aluminum to oxygen, which is a 4 to 3. We ignore the aluminum oxide section. So now we're going to go 336 liters of O2. We're going to get rid of the liters, so we're going to have to use 22.4 liters of O2, which is pretty much our STP conditions. And then at that point, we're going to be using 4 over 3. We're going to calculate the 4 over 3 because that's the coefficients. And then we're going to be canceling that out and using the molar mass of aluminum. So that gives us a grand total of 5.0 times 10 to the second gram. So the only thing that we're changing here is going to be the liters, because we want to get rid of that using our 22.4. Okay, let's talk about using the same equation, how many formula units of aluminum oxide can be produced from 137 grams of aluminum. So in this example, we're going to go back to the same idea. But now we're going from grams to formula units, in other words, to Avogadro's number. So we're going to use 137 grams of aluminum, and we're going to use the formula units for Al2O3. So we're going to go 4 to 2. 137 times 1 mole over 26.98, because that's what we want to get rid of the grams, so molar mass always. We're going to use a 4 to 2 ratio, or in other words, 2 to 4, because I want to get rid of the moles of aluminum. And I'm going to use Avogadro's number here because I want to get formula units. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply it by 6.02 times 23 formula units over 1 mole. And that's going to give us our answer. Cancel, cancel. And our answer is 1.53 times 10 to the 24. So be sure on your calculators that you have 24 there, formula units. Okay, if any questions, go ahead and pause the video and ask us in class. If not, I will see you guys for worksheet 3.